Hey, hope you're having a great Sunday. My name is Benjamin, owner of Forex Hermes. If you want to join my Discord community where I drop my analysis, my tips, and you also get notifications on when my videos do go live, definitely use the link in the description. We've been joining, so I would like to welcome you to the group as well. By the way, the group is 100% free. You don't have to pay for anything if you don't want to. So today's video is going to be a bit of a short video because I said what I needed to say in the previous, analysis video. So today all I'm gonna do is just show you what has happened, from the analysis till now. So let's start with the pound USD, right? Because that's the one I'm looking at with a very, very close eye, because I'm more interested in the pound USD than the euro USD. So the pound USD, I'll throw it up right here, don't even worry about it. I do have the updated charts that I have saved from my trading platform. So as you can see, the Kijun Sen, the Tenkan Sen, it's all pointing down. Single span A, single span B, sloping down a bit. If it was sloping down even less than this, then I would have actually said it is flat. However, just looking at it, at a glance, it does look like it is going down. So this signals a downtrend, right? We now know that this is a downtrend and we should be looking for sell opportunities. Now, if you got in, around 1.24754, then that's amazing, because right now we're all the way down at 1.23509. I'm sorry about that little stutter right there. So we're definitely up, a good amount of pips. All right. So right now I'm seeing it is coming close to the other support line I put down here, which is at 1.23322, right? Now this support line, if it is broken, then it's probably going to go down to 1.22252, right? That's the plan for this specific currency pair. Now I might get out of this trade soon, not really soon, but I would get out of it early if it starts to show that the Kijun Sen, the Tenkan Sen, and all the Senko spans, are, how can I say, flat, and if the Chico span is getting closer. But as you can see right now, Chico span is far away, which means there's trend strength. Trend strength is important if you are a trend trader, which is something that I am, till the death of me. I will always trade the trend because that's where the money lies, in my opinion. So definitely, if you're trying to get into this trade, you have to wait for that breakout. We never know what could happen at this support line right here. The price might just reject, or the price might break. We never know. But by the looks of things, it's likely to actually break that line, just because everything is showing downtrend. Now, I don't normally look at the Tenkan Sen. You see, I normally just look at the Kijun Sen, single span A, and single span B. The Tenkan Sen and the Chico span, I don't really look at that because personally I have been trading just using the Kijun Sen and single span A and single span B. That's how I gauge the trend. All right, but yeah, that's my little bias of what's gonna be happening. I definitely see it dropping some more. Maybe starting Monday, it's probably gonna consolidate for a while. Maybe throw out some spikes. Maybe it's gonna do a stop loss hunt. We never know. That's the beauty of the market. You never know exactly what's gonna happen, but if you use your tools correctly, you'll have an idea of what's gonna happen, or what could happen rather. So that's the pound USD. If you watched my previous video, then you would know where I stand with the pound USD. I wouldn't say predicted, but I had a sense or a feeling that it would, eventually turn into a downtrend, just because of that little twist that was happening, as well as the price coming close to breaking out of the, Kumo cloud. So that was my kind of feel for it. So let's get into the second currency pair of the day, which is the Euro USD. All right. So, in the previous video, I said that I wouldn't, put my money on it to say that it is a downtrend, you know, because I didn't see the twist happen. You know, the twist was about to happen, but it didn't, you know, fully happen yet. So, you know, I didn't really have anything to say about it. However, I see now that the cloud has twisted, and right now it's below the bearish Kumo cloud. Now we see that, okay, it's going to start to set up for a downtrend. All right, and right now it's actually breaking, or it broke a you know, support line that I put there. Remember, I put a resistance and support just to kind of take care of the two scenarios that I had in my head. You know, if price did not go below the Kumo cloud, then it would go to, you know, the resistance. If it didn't go to the resistance, it would have, you know, twisted the cloud, and the price would be below the cloud, going for a downtrend. Now, look at this huge space between my two support levels, right? So it has broken that support level right there. All right, so I am predicting that it might go, you know, back up for a retest. If it does reject that level, then I'm taking this trade all the way down to 1.09943, or even, you know, lower. As I said in my previous videos, I don't have a take profit. You know, I don't trade with a take profit. I trade what the market tells me, and I trade and monitor my trades on the 4-hour chart. So there's not a lot of change that can happen, you know. So if I do go to sleep, there's nothing crazy that'll happen, you know. If it's like a normal market movement, there are, you know, those times where the market had flash crashes. That's like the only thing that could, you know, throw my trade completely off. But, you know, price moves in the 4-hour, you know, and I monitor my charts. I check every 4 hours, every 8 hours. It really depends. Sometimes I don't even check my charts for like the whole day until I like go to sleep or something like that. That's why I trade on these higher time frames, because I have videos like this to do, and I really do enjoy making these videos. So it broke here. I'm thinking maybe it's gonna retest, and it'll, you know, maybe reject. Once it rejects, goes down. But remember, as well, with the disclaimer in the beginning of this video, this is from personal experience. You know, I've picked up this knowledge from personal experience and seen the market for myself. All right, just because I say it's right doesn't mean it is right. But right now, it's consolidating, right? There is no trend that is occurring right now. The reason why I say that is because Kijun-sen, single span A and single span B, they're all flat. All right. Now that basically means it's either going to consolidate, or it's just chilling for a moment before the trend actually starts again. So maybe they'll start pointing down when the retest and the drop happens. But I definitely do see an opportunity in EURUSD. I think maybe just stay safe on Monday. You know, Mondays aren't really a day I like trading on, just because of the uncertainty, you know, and there's not a lot of volume. I like to trade with like high volumes, so that's why I'd rather stay away from this for now. But I do see, you know, a opportunity definitely coming in pretty soon. But I'll just probably monitor the charts. But that is my consensus, that is my bias for, you know, this week when it comes to the EURUSD and the Pound USD. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on this video. Definitely subscribe to the channel for more content. And also, if you want to join my Discord community where you get the analysis first, before I actually make videos on it, then definitely do, you know, use the link in the description. And yeah, sometimes we'll have discussions, but that's normally only when I am on Discord, you know, so I can actually keep an eye on what's happening, because not everyone is, you know, trying to help you out and whatnot. So I'm just kind of keeping my eyes on everything. But yeah, that's basically the video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you have a great day, and all the best for the week coming up. It's definitely looking very bright.